The magnet fishing season ends quick in Maine. It gets cold really fast. So we decided to get one more magnet fishing trip in. Uncle Chuck decided to come. This was his first time doing magnet fishing. Our first find of the day, rusty metal. Yeah! I don't know what it is, but it's a big piece of metal. We had no luck at all at this spot, so we decided to go to a different location. It didn't take long for Uncle Chuck to find something massive in the water. We come across as a bike. It's literally a bike down here. There's a bike at the end of the dock. We're trying to bring it in.
Right
Look.
here. Oh, crap.
Look, there it is. Oh.
Good time. So you can feel it like release and then slide down. Should catch a good spot on it.
There, hair clip. Now we're good to go. We never caught anything truly special, but man, it was so fun trying to get that bike with Uncle Chuck. This was truly a memorable day.